Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys how to get this cool iPod Classic on your iPhone 11 or any other iPhone. But mostly of course it looks really good on the iPhone 10 or 11. So a developer created this awesome app that transforms your iPhone 11 to the iPod Classic. So how it works is pretty simple. So you download the app from the App Store, and the app is called Rewound or Rewound. I don't know how to pronounce it that well. Rewound. So I'm gonna put it up on the screen. So 3, 2, 1, and it should pop up now. So it's pretty simple and easy to use. So you have of course, and it works really easily. Like it's exactly like the iPod Classic. Okay, so you go to main menu. Of course, this is your main menu right here. So of course you have your now playing part where you get to see what type of songs are playing. Of course, I'm not gonna play any songs because I don't want to get a copyright strike here on the channel. And then of course you have your albums area. So if you click on albums, just like using an iPod Classic, and what's also awesome is that you actually get to turn it. So as you can see, well, every time I go like that, it just goes up and down. There you go. So it's very, very cool. That cool feature that you're able to use that feature. So we go back to main menu. Of course, you have your artist area. Of course, main menu again, and then of course, if you go to your settings, here's where some cool stuff you could change about. So you could change the theme. So if you want to change it a bit there, you could change the theme. So I'll choose my mint. And of course, there you go. I have a minty theme going on right there. The face color, of course, just changes the face color. So instead of having it black, it will be white or light instead. So that's very, very cool. And if you have the skin in the bottom below to match the white, you'll have the white version of the iPod Classic right there as well. And then of course the layout interface. The layout interface pretty much is nothing really that different right now. So yeah, I don't see a difference on that. And then of course the skin area. That's where you get to download the skins. So how it works pretty simple. So of course it will give you the list right there. You could go to download skins, and when you click on download skins, it will pop up the Twitter and Weibo. I hope I'm pronouncing that one right. Options, and of course I go on Twitter, and then on Twitter it will share with you guys some cool Twitter users who uploaded their skins for this app, in which you could just download the image, and then it will you could easily download it onto your Photos app, and then it will automatically tell you if you want to import that image from your Photos app so that you could have that skin. So this red wheel is from a Twitter user which I downloaded. So yeah, very, very cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then of course, if you have your own skin to share, you can share that as well within the app. So yeah, it's an awesome app. If you want to feel that feeling of using an iPod Classic on your iPhone 11, then this is the app to do it on. And so yeah, there's another developer that's working on an app like this, pretty much almost the same thing. So we're probably gonna see another app like this. And of course, the app is still limited. You can only use it right now on Apple Music, but future for Spotify will be coming. The developer did say that. But yeah, it's an awesome app. It's free to download. Of course, there is an in-app purchase, and right now the only thing that I found out about the in-app purchase is that if you want to have playlist, that's pretty much it. It's the only feature that you get when you get the in-app purchase. Right now, that's the only thing that I see. Maybe it might be the Spotify thing or something else in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more types of videos like this, please do subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.